Alright, so in this video I'll be looking at drawing page 3, part number 15. Just like the other videos, I'm going to start by creating that front view. My front view would look something like this. I would see that box, but then I would see another box right in here. Got AutoCAD opened up, line tool. My left side coming this direction and then up. I'm going to click offset, offset my 5 inches from my left to the right. And then I'm going to offset again 2.5 from the bottom up. I do want to provide space in between my 3 views, so I will offset 1 inch. Alright, then I'm going to look at my extrude or offset this line here, my 1.5. From here up, from here to the right. Include my line in the top right corner. Use my trim tool and trim out lines that I don't need. Alright, so there's my space for my 3 views, top, front, and right side. If I look at my part, I have a line that goes from here up that is 3/4. That's also the start point of my angle, 3/4. So I'm going to offset 0.75 from here up, from here up. On my video or on my blueprint, I have a line that comes up at a 45-degree angle. So what I will do is use that @ symbol. I'm going to go from here. I'm going to hit Shift 2 to get the @ symbol. We'll just say 2 inches, less than 45. Right, you'll notice that my 2 inches was not quite enough. This will be our opportunity then to use that Extend tool. I want to first click on the line I want to extend to, so that's this one. Then I click Enter, and you'll notice that when I hover over it, it does extend my line. Going back to my blueprint, I have a line that goes over 1 inch and over 1 inch, so I'm going to offset on both of those. Offset, 1, Enter, from here over. Here over. I'm going to do the same thing on my front view. From here over, from here over. Use my trim tool to trim out lines that I don't need. And this angled line was a hidden line. It should be, that's all of my part. Now I'm going to enter these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dimensions. Switch to my dimension layer. Switch my dimension to linear. Again, if I click my Enter key, it will allow me to just continue to enter my numbers. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dimensions. Let me just verify real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I am missing one other dimension. I believe it is the overall height. And there it is. Drawing page 3, part number 15.